Okay, so hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. You're at Renisha Jasmeeta. And before I say anything else, please make sure to subscribe because we are super close to 1000 subscribers and it feels crazy. So, basically, before we get into the vlog, I decided that I'll stop vlogging and I won't be vlogging for quite a while because
Let's be real, y'all do not care about my personal life. उतनी interesting है नहीं life.
so I was like, I'm not going to vlog. And yesterday, my colleague who I have been going on and off about ki
यार, I really need RCB match tickets. I really need RCB match ticket. He just
randomly calls me up during work hours, and I'm like, why is he calling me up? Because I was working from home yesterday since I was working on a match, and he goes like,
I have RCB tickets. Do you want it?
and if you know my current financial situation right now, I just need to tell you all that I am I'm so freaking broke, way broke, too broke, okay? So basically, I had decided I won't spend money on anything, okay? Nothing. And then when this call came, it was kind of like,
एक ही तो जिंदगी है, जीनी पड़ेगी.
oh god, this is so freaking crazy because I didn't, to be honest, I'd kind of lost hope. I didn't think tickets would come. So when he said this, I was like, I can't really let this go. So I was like, cool, I'm coming. So basically today again I'll be working from home because yesterday night or today morning I was basically up till 12:30 working on the after match stuff. So definitely too exhausted, but I will be leaving early and I'll be heading to office itself so that we can leave from office there to Chinnaswamy Stadium, because if you all know, I work in Shivaji Nagar and my office is really close to Chinnaswamy. It's quite a walkable distance. So that's what the plan is, and I will keep you guys updated. Oh, okay, this part I think I'll have to vlog on my iPad because I want to show you guys a reel that I made. You all can check that out at Renisha Jasmeeta on Instagram, but I will show it to you guys here as well. Yes, we have switched to our iPad, and I don't know, for some reason I'm not able to schedule the reel. I'm not quite sure why, but anyway, I'll show it to you guys, okay?
Oh, copyright.
I'll just block the music, lol. So basically, there's no point in showing this. I just realized it because I'll have to block the audio for copyright issues. So make sure to check it out at Renisha Jasmeeta on Instagram. And I know you guys are here for the match vlog, so I will try to vlog as much as they allow me to. And yes, I'll catch up with you guys when something interesting happens. Okay, so hi guys. This is going to be the last clear bit of proper audio talk that you all will get before I start going for the match. I'll be taking the bus because I want to save money. So basically, it means I have to leave a little early, and then I'll be going to my office where I'll catch up with my colleague, and we are going to the match from there. So after this, every
ये part that you're going to get.
is voiceovers plus what do I say? Yeah, voiceovers and music. And obviously I think BCCI has the whole copyright thing also going on, so I'll see, but I'll try my best, and I'll, irrespective of whatever it is, I promise to give my, how do I say this, my whole commentary once I am back, because you all deserve it. And yay, let's go to the RCB match. So right now, as I'm going on the bus, I'm kind of just tying my hair up so that I don't feel all kitschy because it's summer right now. I guess in Bangalore the weather just keeps changing, but I just wanted to tie my hair up so as to not sweat so much.
रात दिन कैसे गुजरे सपने सब बेगाने तेरे यादों का साया.
I have to be honest with you all, nothing prepares you for the crowd at Chinnaswamy. And once we entered through, I was waiting for the police officer to kind of just do a check to make sure I'm not carrying anything illegal. And then we entered the stadium and it is just a complete vibe. Absolutely nothing prepares you for that vibe.
मेरा चांदनी रातों में खो गया
Me and my colleague were kind of just like trying to figure out where our seats were, and this was the view. This is actually a zoomed in view because we were pretty at the back, so thanks to the iPhone 16 Pro for just giving such a freaking fantastic view. And I hope you all like this montage because I genuinely just clicked it for all of you.
पर सारे साथ है तेरा तेरे बिना जी ना पाए
If you all couldn't recognize by now, this is obviously DK who was kind of just helping the bowlers, and they had this whole practice thing going on before the toss started, before the match started as the whole. They had this whole thing going on that like when the captain would enter the field, they would scream his name and all. And I think the host or the DJ or whoever was speaking completely forgot about it. But they eventually did make up for it though. I'm not even going to lie, the car was like the best part about this whole toss because like it can get quite boring, right? But I never in a million years thought that that car was coming forward for like to get that freaking coin. It was pretty interesting to see, trust me.
रात दिन कैसे गुजरे सपने सब बेगाने
Superstar, Yusuf Latifah, superstar, superstar, superstar.
बिना जी ना पाए दिल का लगाना कैसा सजा तेरे बिना दिल तड़पता सपना तू बन जा अब मेरा
If you haven't yet watched the match, then obviously DC won the toss and they decided to bowl first, which initially we were all like, oh my god, like this is amazing. RCB is going to do freaking amazing. Yeah, they did not really do that, but it was an interesting match, and trust me, I will be giving a commentary of this later on separately, but for now enjoy this.
तेरे बिना जी ना पाए दिल का लगाना कैसा सजा तेरे बिना दिल तड़पता सपना तू बन जा अब मेरा
This was probably one of the coolest things to, just see Virat and Salt over there and being completely unaware of what a havoc Salt was going to put on our opponents. Like, that guy was crazy.
तेरे बिना मैं अधूरा दिल की है बात अधूरी रात दिन कैसे गुजरे सपने सब बेगाने तेरे यादों का साया हर जगह मुझको सताए कैसे
Countdown for Qatar IPL 2025. ये countdown इसको छोड़ा क्रिकेट होता है. It should be heard right up to Delhi. Delhi को बोलना संकेत देखो. So make sure 9, 8, 7, 6.
चांदनी रातों में खो गया तेरा चेहरा दिखाई दे सपनों में ये दिल रोए तेरे यादों को रहे यादों का एक जहां मुझ में है बसा दिल से तू है जुदा पर सारे साथ है तेरा तेरे बिना जी ना पाए दिल का लगाना कैसा सजा तेरे बिना दिल तड़पता, सपना तू बन जा अब मेरा। चांदनी रातों में खो गया, तेरा चेहरा दिखाई दे, सपनों में ये दिल रोए, तेरी यादों को रहे। यादों का एक जहां मुझ में है बसा, दिल से तू है जुदा, पर सारे साथ है तेरा। तेरे बिना जी ना पाए, दिल का लगाना कैसा सजा, तेरे बिना दिल तड़पता, सपना तू बन जा अब मेरा।
So hi guys, I had just washed this jersey, so I'm putting it back again because just makes proper sense to wear this jersey if I'm going to be talking about RCB. So like I told you all, I would be doing a separate commentary. Now let me tell you, when we entered the stadium, it was definitely fun. It was super packed as well. Our seats were a little
Too bad.
both of us were like, okay, but then we kind of managed to like go a little forward because no one else was sitting there, so that worked. That was the first thing. Secondly, when RCB, like, you know, they got the chance to bat first, initially we were like, oh my god, this is going to be freaking amazing, like they're going to be doing wonderful.
They did.
And they did do amazing. Like Phil Salt, when he came and when he started batting and when he started hitting those 4s and 6s, no one in the stadium was freaking prepared for an entry like that. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like,
At one point, we were like,
I think at one point, no one, absolutely no one was sitting in their seat because every single second this guy was like 4, 6, and he was doing it so effortlessly as well, and we were like, oh my god, this is crazy to watch like in real life. And then the unfortunate event happened where he slipped and where he fell down and we crashed. We crashed so badly that we went from actually putting like a good respectable total to like being stuck at like 90 for like 3 overs. Like we were in the 90 to 94 for like 3 overs at that point. And then obviously came my favorite Tim David, and he managed to put us to a respectable total. There were other players as well who did their freaking best. I'm not going to lie about that. But these two definitely had an
impactful performance.
that's what you want to call it. And when it came to DC batting, when like initially Faf got out and the second batter got out, we were like,
Oh my god, we are going to win this match.
apparently, no, we did not win this match. And that is because of one person who I can't even complain about, who I can't even be mad about, who I can't even be angry about, because God, he's our player, he's our man, okay? And like, I have been a KL Rahul fan from day one, and I have been rooting so badly for his comeback that I'm like so happy that it's, you know, he's doing such a wonderful comeback. But I'm like, bro, not against RCB. Like, every other team you hit 100, not against RCB, but you can't deny that he played crazy well. Those shots, the flick shot, just, I don't know how he was hitting those 4s and 6s, but he was. And at one point, I still remember when the match went out of RCB's hand at that point, obviously. It was 19 over, actually it was 19.5 to be precise. He was like super close, right? The match was also ending, and he was not planning on stopping. Like if it went for another 15 overs, this guy was going to be mad crazy, okay? At one point, people were like, we lost the match anyway, right? So they just started cheering Rahul, and everyone was like so surprised. But at the same time, like we are also like Rahul, because at the end of the day, you're our boy, like you're our player, and we are obviously going to root for you and not going to hate on you, because
That's stupid.
at the end of the day, I felt like RCB could have done better, definitely in a lot of aspects, because if you saw DC live, if you saw DC's fielding live, you would understand why they are sitting at the number one position. Like, they are at the number one position for a freaking reason. Like, Delhi Capitals, I got to give it to you. You deserve that number one position. You deserve that social distancing that you have been maintaining from all the other teams, because you all did amazing. And that was it. That was my commentary. We did have pizza and a bit of food, and that was actually a good, like, it was good stuff. Even my colleague liked it. But the only thing is, when he gave me the chili flakes, I, like a stupid person, put the entire thing on the pizza, and by the end I was done. My mouth was like burning as a whole. But there was ice cream, overpriced, freaking overpriced ice cream to compensate for that. So we did. I think by the time we left the stadium, it was like around 11:30. I mean, the match ended fast thanks to KR Rahul. And by the time we left, and then by the time I reached home, it was like 12:31. But it was worth it, to be honest, because some matches need to be watched live. I really hope everyone who is a RCB fan gets the chance to experience watching the match live at Chinnaswamy, because you all really deserve it. I hope you all like this vlog, and I hope you all are still rooting for RCB, because we do not give up. We have waited 18 years, we can wait more, okay? I mean, I do wish they win the cup, but still. Yeah, anyway. So I hope you all liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're super close to 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.